Good morning. Welcome to the July 1st Sioux Tribe Election Commission meeting. We will open the meeting at 10:01 a.m. We'll have roll call, Letitia, please.
Luann Doherty.
Here.
Ernest Demon. I see he's here.
I don't know if you can hear us, he's talking.
Can you hear us?
Here.
There you go.
Sheila Berger.
Here.
Letitia Willett. Forgot myself.
Okay. Ernie, would you mind giving the invocation to this morning, please?
He can't hear us.
Oh, there he goes. Go ahead, Ernie.
I can't hear anything.
Can you hear me now?
how did that happen? Can you hear us now?
Yeah, I hear you now.
Would you mind giving the invocation this morning, Ernie?
Hang on.
Okay.
Thank you.
I know, hang on a minute. It's not
Doing.
okay.
Gujamanado
It's not.
daga. Beijing the motion nangwa. Not a motion nong kina. Way when je. Can wam diang. Meanwhile, way when canodiang. And so gizzy got. Meg witch, meg witch, meg witch, meg witch. Thank you.
Thank you, Ernie. Next, we will accept or review the minutes of 6/12/2006. I'm sorry, 2026. Oh, gosh. Do I have a motion to accept the minutes?
I'll motion.
I'll make a motion.
Motion by Ernie, supported by Lou. All those in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Abstained? Motion carried. Thank you.
Okay.
This time, we'll now go into closed session for a,
We don't need to.
oh, we don't need to, okay, fine.
Josh, you don't have any legal updates, do you?
No.
We have no complaints or contests. It's too early to do documentation review, so there is no need for a closed session.
Okay. We will continue down the agenda.
AKA, there's no findings on either.
Correct. So that brings us down to our general election and the installation of officers. And the oath of office for our newly and re-elected board of directors for the next 4 years. So that is going to happen July 6th, 5:30 p.m. All tribal members are invited to attend. I think that's it.
Really?
We need a motion to accept.
Oh, the election results. We need a motion to accept the election results.
The winners in Unit 1 are Ashley Gravel and Robert McGrory. The winner in Unit 2 is Kimberly Lee. Unit 3 is Sue St. Ange. Unit 4 is Cole Goodrow. Unit 5 is Tyler LaPlante. Do I have a
I'll motion to accept.
I'll second.
I have a motion by Luann, second by Ernie, to accept the election as to certify the election as read by Letitia. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
I cannot speak this morning. All those opposed? Abstentions? Motion carried.
Sorry, it's really going to be a short meeting today.
Oh, I guess so. I didn't need to.
Yes. Okay. Next on the agenda is new business. Do any concerns of the commissioners, any updates, any questions, et cetera?
I'd just like to make a couple statements that I guess the rumors of Unit 4 having added 300 voters is untrue. And the redistricting issue did not happen. That is a board resolution that would have to happen, and the board would have to certify it. It was not done during the election. We were not given the direction or anything of that nature. I just want to, all the other details will be in the end of election report, which we'll be working on the next few weeks to have presented to the board and the public. So I just wanted to, those were kind of some big issues that were going around for a while, and I was like, no, that's not totally untrue.
I'd never heard.
Yes, so I just want to make that clear. And that's all I have.
The only thing I would like to say is I would like to thank each and every one of the commissioners who sat on this commission this year. We were short-staffed, short-handed, but they were here, they traveled, and I just want to give them a thank you. This was my first year on this commission, and they helped me a lot, so I would like to say a shima gooch to all of them.
Oh, we also like to thank all the volunteers who helped us open envelopes and made the general go very, very quickly and smoothly. Thank you.
Absolutely. With that, do I have a motion to adjourn?
I motion.
I'll make a motion to adjourn.
Good job. I have a motion by Ernie, second by Letitia to adjourn. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed?
Aye.
Aye. Any abstentions? Motion carried. A meeting adjourned at
Wow.
10:07.
Thank you.
That was a quick meeting. I'm
It
glad I
was.
didn't drive to the, I'm glad I didn't drive.